Let's take a look at the different notifications in Lydul. Here, we have a very simple account with just a few documents and daily reports. So open the drawer menu and select Notifications. So this screen shows a summary of all the changes to your jobs and documents made by your team since you last checked. So let's take a look at the first notification you received here. So this is a daily report you created, and since you checked, 5 items were added, and Mark B added a comment. So you can also quickly review the breakdown of tasks at the top, where you can see the number of tasks that are to do, stuck, done, or reviewed. In this second notification here, you can see that Stephanie added some time and cost to job number 45, as well as changed the status of that job to done. You can then easily mark a notification as read, or just click on it to open up the related job. That's it. This is how easy it is to keep up with the latest in Lydul. Now, let's take a look at how to use templates in Lydul. So I created this photo estimate and pre-filled it with the information I need most of the time. You can see some cost logs, some time logs, and the type of the item. So now I will add this estimate to my templates. And so I can now access that template directly when I click the plus button right here. So let's just go ahead and create a new estimate just from that specific template. As you can see, I can find all the same items already. And now I can go ahead and add some more photos. Or edit the logs. And add more comments. I can also easily remove items that I will not use. And then I can go ahead and manage all my templates from the settings. Let's, for example, delete this template. So that's it. This is how easy it is to create and manage templates. And now let's take a look at how to edit the logs. So in Lydul, you can only edit your own logs and messages. So I will now long press the first time log, the blue message at the top, and I will be able to edit that log and the comment. So as you can see, I was able to change after the fact the comment for that specific time log. Now I will also, for example, delete my message here. Now I will also delete this time log, for example. And so as you can see, Lydul keeps track of all deletion and edits to provide the most transparent log of work. And so for example, you can restore the log in the future if you want. That's it for today. For any question, reach out to us at support@lydul.com.